Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our physics session. Today, we have a very interesting and practical question about how objects get their colors. Let's dive right in. Imagine a beautiful plant with bright green leaves and vibrant red flowers. Now, suppose this plant is kept in a dark room illuminated only by a red light. Our first question, part A, asks, what will be the observed colors of these leaves and flowers in this red light? And importantly, we need to give the scientific reason behind our observation. Let's uncover the answer for part A together. Under the red light, the previously green leaves will appear completely dark or black. However, the red flowers will continue to appear vividly red. Why does this happen? The color of an opaque object depends on the light it reflects. Green leaves are green because they reflect green light and absorb other colors. So, when only red light falls on them, they absorb it completely, reflecting nothing, which makes them look dark. On the other hand, red flowers reflect red light. Since the incident light is red, they reflect it perfectly and appear red. Take a look at this stylish laboratory simulation. On the left, when white light shines, the plant shows its natural colors. But when we switch to the red beam, notice how the green leaves instantly turn pitch black, while the red flower proudly stays red. Isn't that fascinating? Now, let's look at part B of our problem. Suppose we introduce a yellow flower into this exact same red light. What color do you think it will appear? The answer is quite surprising. The yellow flower will actually appear red. Here is the reason: yellow light is a composite of red and green light. This means yellow pigments naturally reflect both red and green light. When we shine purely red light on it, there is no green to reflect, so it only reflects the red component. Therefore, our eyes perceive the yellow flower as red. That wraps up our concept on the reflection and absorption of light. I hope this visual explanation made it crystal clear. Thank you for watching and happy learning.